Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, pirate ninja cowboys. Pirate ninja cowboys, that's what we're going with. Yes. I'm Zon the Daddy Dev, and this video is for educational purposes, just throwing it out there. Welcome to Devlog to Finish, a solid mesh versus objects. This is episode 8. We're going to talk about my community notes and then get into 3D character design plus rigging. Before we do, the community announcement is, since we have like over 100 subs, yay! 1 week and 4 days left. We're looking for a sound engineer. If you would like to be a sound engineer on this game that we may finish, I hope we finish it, please put a comment below. We'll figure out how to contact each other, whether it be Discord, Skype, so forth and so on. Thank you, new subscribers. Tony Cruz, thank you. New subscriber, Rodolfo Serra. New subscriber, Cameron Hines. New subscriber, Gorfolator. I hope I said that right, Gorfolator. And also my favorite name for the new subs, Azteca Sensei. You have this cool thing about Azteca. You have this awesome samurai thing called Sensei. It's a nice fusion of cultures. Just want to say that. Da Vinci, he's got some interesting videos where he's using these images and he's talking about stuff. It works a lot of the time. Sometimes it doesn't. I hope to see more of those videos. I do enjoy them, so I did sub for sub. Gaming Gems is doing a gaming channel. She's got a lovely voice and some great commentary. I hope to work with her on a game jam at some point. Who knows? Twist. Oh, look, I'm in the video. Hi, Mom. Yes, Twist, you're getting the comment for the week. Keep commenting below. Just want to put this out. This was an older one. Track Studio, which is Rich Turtle. He subbed a long time ago. Got flagged for bad words, which is funny. He has, I believe it's a he, could be a she. Anyway, Track Studios is related to this game as far as I know. You want to check out this game, looks better than mine. I haven't downloaded it, I haven't played it, but hey, I like to look into who's who, especially if they leave a link below. 3D character design. All right, we'll be talking about Minecraft in a little bit and why that's so important. So let's just jump right in. The first thing I want to say is that, yes, I looked up this idea of a T-pose. So if you don't know your history of meshes and character rigging, the T-pose was the default apparently. No one clearly understands why we went away from the T-pose. However, it seems to be consensus, if you Google this stuff, that the arms, if you make your arms in not a T-pose like this, this actually makes you design better shoulders and armpits for character animations. Now, one thing I'm a little skeptical about this, having worked with 3D meshes that are higher poly, is I am skeptical about if the arms raise very high. I don't know if the shoulders will collapse very well and what the armpits will look like. Yes, armpits are so important. Keep your hygiene, make sure they're not smelly, and definitely keep them in mind when you rig shoulders. Anyway, so I did the same thing. I did not do a T-pose. I did this from the helmet. It was pretty good. I felt like it was okay, but unfortunately because it was low poly and I didn't make the shoulders very ergonomic, this thing failed terribly upon animation. So I thought, okay, well, maybe I'll just make something more simpler, more cartoony based, that I could easily put a UV map on with this design. And I tried it. I did get it very close, I felt, to the 2D picture, but it failed. It failed when I tried to animate. It failed really, really hard. So I realized Minecraft, short on time, got to go for a redesign. I don't want to just do 2D animation, so I was thinking again how Minecraft did it. And I don't know why at least I haven't seen any videos talk about this a lot in depth, but what makes Minecraft so brilliant as far as rigging is, as you can tell here, the character's arm is not attached to the body. Now, original Minecraft, when you look at it, there was really no bones, but there are a lot of YouTubers that actually took the Minecraft style, I would say, and they just rigged it. And by rigging the Minecraft bodies, you get these extra stretches, churns, and curves that really add more flavor to the animations. Now, notably, Christina, I believe it's Christina, the YouTuber I followed for her character design stuff or her rigging stuff, she talked about this idea of overlapping meshes may cause issues in 3D games. And that's true because it's a processing issue. So again, the sword is going through this mesh. That could cause a lot more computing power, as far as I know. Same thing here. These are probably two rectangle cubes that are going through each other. That could probably cause some issues as well. However, our game is 3D rendered to 2D, so we don't have to worry about it. Finally, this is a great Blender tutorial about attaching objects to a bone armature, and I'll put a link at the end as like a reference, like an academic paper. All my references will be in links at the end of the video, if not below. And he's got some really interesting videos, really cool. Could be a she, I don't know. Sounds like an artificial voice. I just check out the channel because it's weird. But aside from the weird channel, great tutorial on how to actually link the objects to a armature. So let me show you what I did. This beautiful thing. Look at that. I love this thing so much. This is a culmination, a collection of thoughts, research, random ideas for about, I guess, a week. You know, this I felt was the hardest thing to work on as far as the characters that we're working on for the game jam, and I thought, yeah, okay, let me try it out. Now notice what I did, instead of just keeping it in a posed body, like a neutral pose, I actually put it in a run. And I've been studying animation on and off longer than I've been studying HTML5, so this has really paid off. This is a good like 20 years of my life paying off. A lot of other 16-year-old kids can do this. It took me 20 years. I know, it's just sad. But anyway, so I'm really excited. I like this. Put comments below if you like it or don't like it. There's some things that are broken, of course. Like, I know that this this part is now going into the sphere. I've been having issues getting this sphere to rotate. I guess one thing I could do is I could add another bone, and then I could try to rig it to get a full 360 spin, or I could even maybe move this bone more center to the sphere. Unfortunately, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to think about time now that I can have an animated character, 3D character. The next thing I'm going to do is, oh, I can also turn the middle. The next thing I'm going to do is, oopsie. Next, oh, see, like that? Is that cool? Oh, see, it breaks. The next thing I'm going to do is actually just work on all the animations and figure them out. Wow, that's really cool. All right, okay, so Control Z that. Now, animation-wise, we're going to go back to how many animations it'll take. It'll take 96 animation frames. So 96 images, I should be able to create a relatively smooth-looking 3D character rendered in 2D at the angle that we need them at. Now, the last thing too is that that's going to be a lot of work figuring this out because I've never really animated in Blender. That's going to be fun. Death only goes 2 ways. That's going to be nice. So again, like for our game, the angle will probably be more like this, right? But for the death part, it'll just be like this, something more like at the side like this or something like that, which is cool. That'll make my life a lot easier. All right, okay, so insert catch-free phrase here. Am I under 7 minutes? A little over 7 minutes, that's okay. I will catch you guys, gals, Space Ninja Cowboys, in the next video. And again, like, subscribe, do all that jazz. And if you do want to help with sound, put a comment below. We'll figure out how to get in touch with each other, licensing, all that jazz. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.